Oh my god. We're super late. YouTube's gonna fire me. Give me a second while I get some stuff set up. What we got for news first? 10 o'clock. Job openings and factory orders. And we have non-farm payroll, right? This week. Tuesday, 10 a.m. Factory and job. Tomorrow, PMI at 9:45. Thursday, initial jobless claims. Damn. I never looked at the whole week. All right, today we just watch out at 10. Oh, Jason. That's the plan. What you been doing all right lately? So my Apex account that I some people may have seen in Discord, but yesterday we ended up in a bad trade and I just said F it. They reset my account back to the starting balance. Thankfully, Rhythmic had issues yesterday, so many issues that they just reset people's accounts, anyone who was red. So it was a good day to blow an account. So that account is still in the green. I did have to get a new Boolinox, but it's fine. We have 3 fundeds we're working on, and we'll just keep going. I need to set up this trade copier though. All right, 15 ticks. We'll start with 2 minis today. I think I'm feeling all right. Make sure we're on the evals first, and then let's see what's been going on in the market. Oh, Tyler. All right, I don't know why I keep putting this on here when I take it off every day. Okay, so yesterday I said I could see us coming down in here, but I don't know if there's a reason to. We obviously did. Nice, Jason. Sometimes we have to sacrifice an account to make progress. As long as you don't do it daily and get stuck in the evaluation cycle loop and you're aware of what's going on. So we did come down into this area that looks about halfway too, right? A little lower than halfway. What I don't like is that we did not break. We came down and traded in here, but then we went up and then we kind of stalled and then came back down. So, I mean, I guess I'm still thinking bullish until we break some of these swings. This swing was just put in, taking this one out and trading down into this displacement. So I don't consider that like we're going short yet. I guess we just assume we're still going long until we see something that's short biased. And then we look at the daily. Yeah, we had this daily wick the other day that just traded all of this right here. I still want to see it go up into that gap that we had marked out, that we freaking perfectly reversed off of. All we did was tap it. I want to see us go up into it. Because then look at this on the daily as well. This wick in this body, it never went all the way up there. That's what until something shows me otherwise, I'm expecting it to go up into this. I don't know what lies after that. I don't even know that if it's going to go up there. That's just what I want to see it. But that doesn't even matter because we're looking for 15 ticks per trade. I mean, look at the 5 minute. We're just going straight up. Yo, Texas Jet. Dino or Dino? Dino. Like a dinosaur. What's up, Sue Trades? Morning. Yeah, I mean, we're definitely in a bullish. Oh, Dino. Look at all those highs right there on the 5 minute. What's up, Jeremy? Good reminder. Excellent. We have big news at 10. Put this back on here so we don't forget. I mean, we're definitely going to go up and take these out. Oh God. I feel like the lighting on me is off and it's really pissing me off because I got these new lights and I don't know, I'm not a lighting specialist. I was messing around with some of these was messing around with some of these filters. What's up, Delta? Which one of them made it? I was like borderline invisible, like out of a video game. It's not the so yes, the lights by themselves were not it, but they came with like these color filters. So I started adding some to try to like cut the intensity down. I put like a yellow and a. First of all, I'm colorblind, so that doesn't help. But I put like, I believe like the yellow and the orange one on there to try to simulate more like, in my head, I was thinking that's more natural light, right? And so I put those on, and I'm like, well, maybe it needs to have all the colors. So I put red and blue also, but kind of staggered, and it made the color look better, but I still don't like the. I don't know what it is. There's something about it I don't like. He's been in one of those moods lately, Jeremy. Oh, we took these out. That's for sure. All right, we're gonna just let it try to settle down for a little bit. So while there is a gap right here that looks like could have just marketed in and got a quick few points off of it. I'm not willing to risk anything at the moment. And I don't know if I would take it again if it came back down there. I mean, it looks like going after 15 ticks, you could pretty much just buy or sell, close your eyes, buy or sell at any time during the day, and most likely get winning trades. Occasionally you're going to get stuck on the wrong side of it, but that's why I like this, because it's already, I feel like it's already a high win rate, even if you just buy or sell anywhere. So if I also wait until fair value gaps are tested, just increases the chances of it working that much more. Anyone here, if Rhythmic's having issues? I don't see any Rhythmic issues in the Apex Discord. A good idea for a strategy. The days that the darts lands on buy it open, and the days that it doesn't, short the open. This price action at open is expected with the news at 10. Don't get caught up in it. Unless it somehow meets your requirements. Let's play some buy orders for GameStop. As it goes down, we just pick up more. Jesus. Maybe you should let your cat trade more often. Yes, sir. Can't stop, won't stop. Tyler, I know me and you were talking about GameStop the other day. I forgot that after they did the 4-to-1 split, I actually had like 120 shares, which is still not a lot compared to other people, but man, if I would just freaking held that. But I ended up getting rid of all of them. So now I'm slowly adding again. And this time I have a little extra money, so I don't have to worry about it. Last time I had no money and I was putting money in. We just go take out. We didn't take anything out, really. Got like a little swing here. I'm just waiting on this to, I don't know, give me... At first, we were waiting for the market to move. You know, this wasn't really doing anything. There was a potential trade off of this open. I pushed my luck yesterday doing the open. I'm not a huge fan of doing it right at open, but... and I probably also have a little bit of extra nerves from making that mistake on those accounts yesterday. But I got to get over that. So now what I'm waiting on is, I guess these aren't too huge. If we put a fair value gap in here and come back in and test it, I might try a long on this side. Maybe down. I don't know. I'm feeling a little hesitant today. That one worked. was really hoping it would dig into this a little more. We're on the bottom side of this point of control in the 5-minute. If that means anything. I still think we go higher though. Up into the high 700s. Maybe that's what the news will push us to at 10. It's up one stop. Yeah, fundeds are doing good. We got 3. 2 of them are pretty close to their payouts. One of them just started last week, but they're all green at the moment. This one Delta. I want it down at like 610-ish. I just gotta... Why is this not copying? Oh, because they're not freaking turned on. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to do the funded till after the stream. Because the whole point was for me to get a read on the market, get a read on how my emotions are doing each day, and then take the fundeds afterwards. This doesn't look like... I mean, we went into a pretty negative RR, which we're going to have that on these trades, but it was still in this fair value gap, so I allowed it, especially on an eval. Sometimes I tighten up my risk on the fundeds. It just depends on what the market's telling me. So I have 3 evals, but it didn't look like it copied to all of them. One of them is... whatever. Maybe something to do with them being off, and then I turned them on, or they weren't running. All right, well, we got one trade out of the way. That first one's always the worst one, in my opinion. That's why sometimes I find myself in pre-market trades, because I'm like, I just want to get that first anxiety-inducing trade out of the way by myself, not in front of anybody. Just get it out of the way, and then we'll trade when we get on the stream. But then I have too much anxiety, and I end up in something I shouldn't be in. So I got to stay out of the pre-market. What's going on, McLovin? It does set the tone. It's so hard to come back after a first loss, but we've done it as long as I stick to my plans. Yesterday we had a green trade right at open, and then we ended up giving all of it back on the next trade. So I got a little ahead of myself. Oh yeah. Exactly, Jeremy. Yeah, Dino, if I'm doing too good, then that also is a bad thing. This is exactly why I stopped. This is exactly why I started scalping these gaps, because while I do believe the market is going to go higher, you would buy and then just sit in this going in the green and then back break even, potentially red, then green, then break even, then red. I'd rather just get my few dollars and call it a day. Like ideally, if it wasn't for the streaming, I would have just taken this trade and close. I would already be out of this room doing something else. But you guys got me freaking stuck here, forcing me like a rat in a cage. Like that gap's gonna hold too, which is cool to see. That's great. But we got our money. Just start complaining about all you guys the whole time. Have been, although Apex is complaining, they have been taking care of these rhythmic issues, which is surprising. So as far as I'm aware, they used to just be like, too bad. But I was talking about if I'm making money. What do you mean, Jeremy? What do you mean by that cryptic message? It's probably market's probably going to slow down until 10. I feel like it's taking absolutely forever this morning. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, I changed my mind a lot. My ideal trading day is get on, wait for a trade, take the trade, accept if it's a win or a loss, and ideally that happens all within 15-30 minutes. If I do that, then my red day shouldn't be larger, you know? I guess it just depends. What did you see, Dino, that you would have longed off of this? Off of your little trend lines? Right, Tyler? But we've grown. We recognize when price action is choppy and we can't make it do anything, so you just stay out. Let all the other people get chopped up. There's no need for us to be in this. Absolutely no need. We got news at 10. This isn't going to do anything extravagant. Still want to see clean price action. I like how you're brand new, but you already know my sarcasticness. You long the bottom? I thought I was supposed to be doing that. Yeah, why stop at 5,000? You could have made a virtual 20,000 off of that. YM is putting on a show. I've never sat and watched it. Oh yeah, true. Rhythmic could have issues around this news event too. I don't know if they want it because they have been fixing accounts. They fixed my account yesterday and I didn't even have any Rhythmic issues, but everyone else had Rhythmic issues. So they just did a blanket. Everyone gets reset. That was red. I don't think it's that bad in here, Tyler. Yeah, and the 1 day to pass. That's what I don't get. Why even have a 1 day pass? I guess they could say, no, there's no excuse for trying to pass an account in 1 day. But oh well, people buy it. People go after it. I did it. I just tried it a couple weeks ago. It didn't work. Never does for me. Oh wait, Delta, you said you longed the bottom. Did you really long the bottom? I was thinking that you, I don't know why I just processed that as shorting the bottom. Yeah, Apex has accounts that right now, like usually it's you have to trade 7 days to pass. God, I can't stop burping. But right now you can, if you pass in 1 day, then it's yours. We have what the hell was it? We have factory orders and job openings at 10. Price is just getting getting ready to go somewhere. True, but I don't know. Anytime I try to do something like that, I say I'm just like, it always bleeds into my actual trading. Very hard to keep that separate. I also don't care what they do. I'm for more rules. Make it harder for people who don't know how to trade. Or make it harder for the gamblers to get payouts. And then watch them all cry. Well, let's see what GameStop's up to. Oh, what the hell else would they be in it for, Dino? Isn't that what any business is in for? In it for? Oh, okay. Where's your /S at? I can't see anybody. I just see text. I'm supposed to put a /S. This chat room is Reddit rules. I'm not taking a short off of this because we've got news coming up. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that off. The thing is that I would not be surprised if somebody said that and they were genuinely serious about it. Delta, I don't do that often. Give me a break. we've taken out lows on Nasdaq here on the 5-minute, and ES did not. But ES also has double bottom. Yo, Alito, where the hell have you been? Well, it started a little early, it looked like. That would have sucked if you were long off this gap and you had to stop right at that low. We do have some people over there, do you know? I don't know if our other Texas brothers here. If you were thinking of a long, you missed this 75-point ripper. I'm in Tennessee. Oh, McLovin's back in Japan. McLovin, we need a schedule. All right, like we need to know where you're at all times. Oh my God. Apple tag him. I check Market Watch, and then I also follow it up by checking Financial Juice. Market Watch just for a quick glance because it's a little cleaner looking in my opinion because there's less stuff on there. But then I also go to a lot of people use Financial Juice because it has like everything. Sometimes stuff doesn't show up on Market Watch because Market Watch is only the U.S. economic calendar. But I just always open up those two every morning and check. Yeah, Market Watch just the calendar. I don't remember. And I don't keep financial juice open during the day or during the session. I just check it in the morning and see what's scheduled. I don't check it for intraday. news things that may go off. And I don't check any other news anywhere else. I don't know about... I'd love a buy in here, but I don't like how large this is, you know? And of course that freaking pulls back 10 points. See if we can catch a pullback here. Maybe when this candle closes. And she's moving. Why is that second one being so... This is moving too much for me. Yeah, I should have waited for that candle to close, like I said. No, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Are you kidding me? Doesn't help? Well, on the screen. I don't like how much freaking drawdown we just dealt with these, but oh, I don't. Alito, that's not what I want to hear. I don't want to hear. VWAP doesn't have to work. Oh, it does have to work. Alito, damn. I'm glad I had to move it a little bit more just because we dealt with so much drawdown on that. F that. You don't need it. You don't need it. Oh. What did I just do? Alito, do you know if there's a way to turn off the snapping of the windows on Quant Tower? I hate when I try to move stuff around and it snaps. Oh, you guys are good. Yeah, like you know how like when you move a window in Quan Tower and it wants to automatically like merge with another one or snap to it? I don't want that. Well, snapping is fine. I don't want it to auto merge with another window. All right, so let me fill you guys in on a little secret that I didn't tell you I was doing this morning. Damn, that was a big trade. Let me put the other view on. Yeah, new yoga channel. No, so we had this is one of the 50K evals that we were trading with 2 minis. So this one's up 524. And this other Bulanox is also up 443. We got different fills, I guess. Apex extended the 250K lifetime deal until July 15th. So now I have over a month to try to pass it. So I got a 250K and I added it to the copier. And I added it to the copier and told it to copy 5 times the size of whatever I'm doing. So that one's up 1,400. Because we were trading with 10 minis, I guess, right? Yeah, I was on 2 minis on the other one, so it copied 10 minis over to that. They're big numbers. If I just do that every day, we'll have it passed. What I'm also going to do is copy it when I take my funded accounts too. There's no reason not to. What are you talking about? Yeah, minis are the big boys. I mean, we're not aiming for a lot of points, so it's like, I feel like it's like the same thing. The piss was off screen. The piss was in the members only videos that you are still not a part of. I don't know how and I don't know why, but so I guess we're not going up here. Guess you'll never know, Tyler. Now ES is taking that low out. Oh, we're having fun, Hank. I'm not going to take any more trades on the on these evals. I need to end the stream too, because I just got word I need to be somewhere at 11. There's a good we're up like 20. I don't even want to put the amount that we're up or down anymore in the video title. We'll just put a green or a red, because it doesn't. Sometimes I only put the eval amount. Sometimes I only put the funded amount, depending on if we traded the fundeds. I mean, the only one that actually matters are the fundeds. And now it's going to look crazy because we traded the 250K. So it's like we're up like over 2,000, but we're not really up over 2,000. You know, it's kind of deceiving. Or do people like that? People like the clickbaity titles? You like the surprise? I'll just put plus a lot of money. Jesus, absolutely not. If you guys ever see me post a video and my mouth is open in the title, just report my account and unsubscribe. I know some of you guys are out there clicking on those videos. I actively avoid giving anybody a click or a view if they post something stupid like that. Like, I consume most of my content, like videos and stuff, through YouTube. I love YouTube, but god damn, it has the cringiest. It has the absolute cringiest people on it. I'm getting pissed thinking about it. What do we got going on here? ES barely took out these equal lows, but it did. It's like my soul delta. That's yeah. That no, can't do it. Because then it's too. No. Like, I'm thankful for the money I have made. That's a direct thing from the videos. Obviously, like, that's helped me. It's helped me be able to focus more on the trading, but that's not my goal. I'll give all that up as we make money trading. I mean, I know people didn't believe me and they probably still don't believe me, but I only started this YouTube channel to force myself to be more accountable with trading. And I think it's worked. And that was the only goal. Days like this make me think I shouldn't be putting the fundeds off until the end, because then if price slows down and then we don't have anything, then I risk jumping into something I shouldn't. No, I'm done on the evals, bro. There's no need. They're up well over what I even aim for each day. Yeah, right. Like, I'll if I start the day with them, then I'll get like tricked out by the markets. I mean, this is pretty. We're just going sideways right now. I guess if I had to pick on a direction, lower makes sense because we took out the high. We're respecting this gap. Yeah, if you start feeling like that, just step away from the charts. Even if you come back and you see you missed something, so what? There'll be more. Thought we were gonna get a fair value gap there, and then we freaking closed it right back in. Might just put off trading the funded right now, and we'll just check in later. And then if there's nothing, if I don't take anything, then so be it. What's going on, Pluto? Oh, at 10:09, Apex said hold off on rhythmic trades. They're doing an upgrade. What my platform is? If you're asking the platform, it's Quantower. If you're asking the asset, it's Nasdaq futures. If you're asking through whom, it's Apex and Bulanox prop firms. Was that the wrong words to use, Jeremy? Oh, okay. Was that so English is proper English vocabulary, dictionary or definitions. That's not my forte. So I'm always worried. Or I'm not worried, but I just say whatever comes to my mind, and it's usually like you'll understand what I'm saying, but it's not quite the right words. If you watch The Office, I kind of do what Michael Scott does. All right. I don't want to sit here anymore. I'll check on the charts later and see if I could take a trade on the fundeds. And if I do, I'll let you guys know in Discord. But it's 10:30. I'm going to hop off. And yeah. You guys have a good one. Oh, there's so many, Jeremy. Hank, thanks for stopping by. You guys all have a good rest of your day. Don't get worked up over this. Let the market do its thing. And when you see your setup, take it. All right, you guys have a good one, and we'll be back tomorrow morning.